is where it gets kind of tricky. So you gotta look for that opening, just right there between those rock faces, where Amber's gonna go through. It's the side of the mountain face here that it's kind of tricky. There's a lot of holes and jagged rock. Final push here. Sweet. Oh, okay, we're climbing up this fucking steep ass. Okay. Whew. Oh shit. Just like the west is. Look at that beautiful view. The sun's coming down. Salt flats are out there. That's the sun coming down. Yeah, we're about to make our way down because nightfall is going to catch us between at the middle of the peak, probably around the bend. We're probably looking at nightfall.